That's fucked up.
Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are having a great day. Thank you for clicking on the video. So what we have in store for you today is we have a maintenance video, maintenance disassemble video. So we're going to be doing some maintenance on the car, like replacing the valve stem seals, oil pan gasket. The oil pan does have a good dent in it, so we're gonna take that off, see if we can bang it out, or if I have to get another one, I'll get another one. And we're gonna be taking apart the transmission off of the motor, putting the motor on an engine stand, just so we can like clean it up easier. And so that's gonna happen later on. Well, of course, in order to do the valve stem seals, we have to take apart the entire accessory. Sorry about that, there's a lot of cars coming by right now. So yeah, we have to take apart all the accessories, take apart the timing belt, and depending how well that looks, we might just keep it. I think it was done before the guy crashed the car, like not that long ago, so it should be good. And yeah, man, so we're gonna go ahead and get started on, I think I wanna take off the intake first, just so I have more viewing of the engine. And then from there, we'll just start stripping everything else off. We're gonna go ahead and get started. Alrighty then, you guys. So we got the intake off, as you just saw. Here it is. It looks like it had, I don't know if this is a spacer gasket or if this is just how it is when they come. It looks a little thick, so it kind of looks like they were running a spacer. I don't know why they had this port right here blocked off, this coolant port. If you guys know what that goes to, let me know. But yeah, so here's how the block's looking pretty, all right. One thing that I think I'm going to do is I'm probably going to close this off, because I believe that the idle air control valve does not need the coolant for it to work. The coolant's only there to warm up the air. Same thing with the throttle body coolant lines. So I might just use this for a wastegate. For like a wastegate coolant line, run it through like here, over to the front, or maybe like a turbo coolant line. It's a little thin for it to be turbo, but we'll run this probably to the front for the wastegate. And other than that, man, it's looking pretty all right. So next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take off all of the rest of this harness right here, this bracket, and then all the accessories. So back into the time lapse.
Damn. That's fucked up.
Damn, you guys. So taking off that mount, I mean, you saw how it was walking. Those bolts were bent pretty bad, which now I know for a fact that his whole strut tower moved. And check this out. Let's see if you can see in here. Oh yeah, you can see that. Yep, that is the left mounting bolt cracked right there. Yeah, you can see right here, just cracked. This is like split off. This one's still intact, but the thread's pulled out. And then obviously that bottom one was not used. So, I mean, if two of them are good, that's cool. This one, we'll see what we could do about this. I might be able to save it with a little bit of welding. I don't know, man. That's, and it's right there by the head too, dude. That kind of blows. You know, we'll see what we could do to fix that. Hopefully it's fixable. Definitely didn't want to see that. I was kind of hoping that the only extent to the damage was going to be this, like this part that's folded over right here. Like you can see that's folded over. I mean, it still spins straight if you look at where the bolt is. But yeah, man, shit. I mean, there's nothing else we could do except just keep tearing it down. It's still good. It's a good block either way. So I'm gonna tear it down some more, and then I mean, hopefully that piece that's broken is still in there, and then shit, I could just kind of, you know, we can see what we can do. You know, I got some hope. Okay, man, let's go ahead and start taking off the rest of that timing belt. We're probably gonna need to take the valve cover off first, so let's get to it. Alrighty then, you guys, so here's how the cams are looking. They look pretty fucking good, man. This does look like a really low mileage motor. Even in here, it's not even like really dark or anything. But yeah, man, so as you can see, like these are pretty loose, so it did need a valve lash adjustment. But anyway, yeah, so I just wanted to show you guys how this was looking. Gasket's so good and stuff, but we already got a new one coming. Now let's go ahead and continue taking off the rest of this, and we're gonna get a closer look at that damage. Let's get to it. Holy shit, dude. Holy shit, you guys. Look at how fucking bad that is. That is absolutely horrible, man. Oh, fucking hell. And it's so close to where the head, like, meets the block, dude. It's literally, like, right there. Oh, my God. I would want to weld this, but holy shit, dude. That is a lot. And look at how that casting looks like shit, dude. this really wouldn't even like weld that well. I mean, I don't know. You guys let me know. Should I weld this or take it somewhere to get welded, or should I just try to use these two brackets, these two mounting points for the engine mount? Because this, you know, there's literally, you know, luckily it's a three bolt one that I need for my car, but still, like, it's only gonna be 2 out of the 3, and then this one's also stripped out a little bit, so I'm gonna need to repair these threads. So you guys just let me know. What do you guys think? Okay then, you guys, so here she is, man. 1 second. Just beautiful. Yep, there's some of those threads, and I'm really, wow, good thing I was turning it like this way, the wrong way, because if I would have turned it this way, it would have got caught in the belt. Damn, dude, this is a lot of material too. I don't know if welding it's gonna be good. Holy shit though, man. That's crazy. That's absolutely crazy. And look at these, like, all those aluminum shavings. That's just from, that's a thread. That is all thread that got pulled out right there. Damn. Well, well, shit, man. I think I'm gonna put this in top dead center, and then, yeah, so I think I'm gonna put it at top dead center. I'll take off the cams, or the cam sprocket and all the timing stuff. Take off that rear back cover for the cam, and then I guess we'll just weigh our options, man. So I'm gonna do that off camera. You guys don't need to see me do that, but yeah, man, I'll catch you in a little bit. Alrighty then, you guys, I talked it over with a friend, and we are gonna be welding up that hole. I was gonna put some putty on there that absorbs heat for welding, but it's just not gonna be worth it because it's so close to the surface, the mating surface. So we're gonna leave the video here. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. You know, leave a like, subscribe, hit the bell notification, comment. I really appreciate you guys who have been commenting, who have been subscribing, and who have been watching the videos. You guys are amazing. Man, yeah. So on the next video, we're gonna tear this further apart, we're gonna take the transmission off. We'll take the head off. We'll put this on an engine stand, and once it's on the stand, that's when we'll just take off the head and get to welding, I guess. Oh man, I've never welded anything cast aluminum, so you know, wish me luck on that. But yeah, man, like I said, appreciate you watching to the end. This video is probably the shortest video I have, so thank you. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace out.